We student, according to the model proposed by Emile Fischer, the enzyme surface is rigid, and if the substrate it is fixed into its surface, only and only then the enzyme substrate complex will form. If the surface of the substrate is not fit into the active sites of the enzymes, no enzyme substrate complex is formed and no product will be formed. In 1959, an American scientist, Koshland, proposed induced fit hypothesis. Induced fit hypothesis. According to the induced fit hypothesis, the enzyme active sites. The active sites are not rigid. They are what? They are not rigid, and changes at self according to the substrate. Like for example, if we have an enzyme surface something like this is the enzyme, these are the active sites, and on other hand this is the substrate, and this is the enzyme. Its surface, as you can see, boys, the active sites, there is a much difference in the active sites surface and that in the substrate surface. The enzymes, according to this hypothesis, the enzymes bring in certain changes in itself. What does it do, boys? The enzymes bring in certain changes in itself and modify itself according to the substrate. Like you can see, students, the active sites are modified according to the substrate, and it will get fit into the substrate, and it will make the enzymes substrate complex, which is further broken into enzymes and product. So according to this model, you can see the active sites of the enzymes, so they are bringing in certain changes according to the substrate. So it means that the active sites, they are not rigid. So students, this is the most valid model and it is still exists. So with this we come to the end of the today's lesson.